Tapos, everyone was not allowed actually to interact that much.
Kim.
Ping pong.
Hello! What's up, everybody? Hey. Yun. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Nahiya na tuloy ako. Wala nag-react kasi.
Naku, Danimiga! Naku, Danimiga!
Pwede ka ba ulitin?
Go, Biga! Go, Biga!
Diba? Hello, everybody! It's gonna be 100 times more on Saturday. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Tsaka, thank you so much sa pagpunta dito. And then, maraming salamat po ngayon pa lang sa lahat ng mga bumili ng ticket and manonood ngayong Sabado. Thank you very much from the entire ASAP family. Thank you.
Just a shout out for Kim. She won an international award for Best Actress.
Speech.
What's up, everybody? Parang wala ulit.
Okay. So,
Oh my God. Diretso talaga dun.
You know, they have an outlet around the corner here, right? Ano ba? ASAP still, every Sundays. And then, it's showtime, Mondays to Saturdays. And that's it for now. And thank you. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa TFC for watching our show, Linlang, and What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Thank you so much.
yes.
Love, life.
Susuot ka ng kahit na anong red sa katawan mo kasi pangpatanggal ng malas talaga yon every first day of the week. So, yun.
Nice.
Okay.
Awesome.
Di ba meron din yung pag